guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. I hope you're doing well. National Coffee Day is September 29th, so I thought what a better way to celebrate is with the cute Critter Café stamp set and also that cute bonus stamp set Critter Café add-on. So you get this bonus stamp set when you subscribe to our Paper Pad Club I Want It All option. So it's for a limited time. It will end on September 30th. So if you are thinking about joining the club, now's the perfect time. I am going to create a cute little scene because I cannot stop playing with the stamp set. I want to use the raccoon. I haven't used the raccoon yet in these 3 cards. I want to use the Critter Cafe drive-through with this cute little raccoon. And make a cute little scene. So we are celebrating National Coffee Day with the Coffee Loving Papercrafting group. We're all doing an Instagram hop. So if you head on over to Instagram, we have several sponsors that are each giving away a prize. We are giving away a $25 gift certificate to Not Too Shabby. And so you'll just hop to each creator and follow them. Leave some love. I'll have the link to my giveaway form. It's in the description box. You can unlock some bonus entries there. Commenting will close on October 3rd at 9 a.m. Pacific time. So we would love for you to check out all the inspiration, grab a cup of coffee, and enjoy. I want to use that stamp sentiment. Leaves are falling, coffee is calling. I love that. And then I want to have some leaves falling down. So we'll see if we even need to do any masking for this card. Let's see, maybe I want to put the sentiment on top here. And then of course I will cut this down. Okay, so I think that's going to be my basic layout. Let's bring this down a little bit. Okay, I'm going to stamp that one separately.
Coffee cups and pumpkin spice, crafty moments, oh so nice. Paper stamps.
I'm gonna do their apron in red this time.
With joy tonight, but not too shabby. Gather round, inspiration's what we found. Cut in color, glue with flair. Crafty friends are everywhere. Together everywhere, not too shabby. Gather round, inspiration's what we found. Cut in color, glue with flair. Crafty friends are everywhere. Not too shabby. Gather round, inspiration's what we found. Cut in color, glue with flair. Crafty friends are everywhere. Not too shabby. Gather round, inspiration's what we found. Cut in color, glue with flair. Crafty friends are everywhere.
Grab your paper, stamps, and glue. So many crafty things to do. Pumpkin
it's here today. Let's make some magic in a crafty way. Whoa-oh, whoa-oh. Whoa-oh, whoa-oh. Grab your paper, stamps, and glue. So many crafty things to do. Pumpkin spice and cozy nights. Critters, books, and autumn sights. Whoa-oh, whoa-oh. Critters, books, and autumn sights. Whoa-oh, whoa-oh. Critters, books, and autumn sights. A floor of packs, card fronts too. Stamps and pads all made for you. Sip your coffee, join the cheer. The September release is finally here.
Grab your glue, it's that time of year. Pumpkin vibes and crafty cheer. Paper pads with foxes and trees. Ephemera that's sure to please. We've got hedgehogs, mugs, and leaves. Cocoa cups and cozy sleeves. Fall in love with every pack. You wanna craft and never look back. It feels like fall and not too shabby. Sweater weather makes me happy. Cut and layer, stamp and play. Let those autumn cards brighten your day. So much joy in every piece. Crafty bliss that just won't cease.
Rustic colors, gold and spice. Crisp designs that look so nice. Die-cut pumpkins, woodland flair. We've got new goodies everywhere.
Add some twine and a belly band. That fall box fits right in your hand. Make a gatefold card or treat with paper this cute you can't be beat.
It feels like fall and not too shabby. Pumpkin spice and crafting savvy. Squirrel hugs and forest friends. Let your handmade magic never end. Crisp like leaves and sweet like pine.
All right, so let's add our layers. I picked this sheet from the But First Coffee paper pad. Love this because it looks like cream swirled in your coffee.
So grab your stash and let's begin. For craft and joy from outside in.
So grab your stash and let's begin. Fall craft and joy from outside in. It feels like fall and not too shabby. Sweater weather makes me happy. Cut and layer, stamp and play. Let those autumn cards brighten your day. So much joy in every piece. It feels like fall and not too shabby. Pumpkin spice and crafting savvy. Squirrel hugs and forest friends. Let your handmade magic never end.
For my next layer, I want to add this on a little angle so we could see more of that pattern paper.
Our fall release will make you sigh.
Okay, so here is the finished card. I think it turned out super cute. I just love playing with the stamp set. If you have the stamp set, let me know, and let me know how you are loving it. Have you got a chance to play with it yet? I had so much fun with it, and I'm sure I can keep on going. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.